pain that I hide. I don't talk about the pain I feel. I won't lie, I'm not feeling right. Up all night, I pray I heal.
Be calling my phone when you say I am broke. Say it on my love, but you still give me some hope. Say it on my name, but you still let it flow. Why you calling my phone if you don't want my soul? Why you say you moving on, but you still never go? Why you hit me late night, then act like you don't even know me? Got me looking at the screen like they don't even know.